Best convertibles for 2024 Chevrolet Camaro. As 2024 revs into gear, the convertible market is seeing fierce competition, with the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible making a significant impact. Known for its muscular performance, aggressive styling, and exhilarating open-air experience, the latest Camaro is capturing the attention of enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The 2024 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible offers a range of powerful engines, catering to different driving preferences. At the base, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 275 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, providing a spirited drive with impressive fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, the Camaro offers a 3.6-liter V6 producing 335 horsepower and 284 lb-ft of torque. At the top of the range, the 6.2-liter V8 engine churns out a thrilling 455 horsepower and 455 lb-ft of torque, ensuring an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic, allowing drivers to choose their preferred driving style. Performance is a key highlight of the 2024 Camaro Convertible. Its rear-wheel drive configuration, sport-tuned suspension, and advanced chassis technology provide exceptional handling and cornering capabilities. The Camaro's magnetic ride control system, available in higher trims, adjusts the suspension in real time for optimal ride quality and performance. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling twisty roads, the Camaro Convertible offers a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Visually, the 2024 Camaro Convertible is a head-turner. Its bold, sculpted lines, aggressive front fascia, and distinctive LED lighting create a powerful and modern appearance. The soft-top roof is easy to operate and can be lowered quickly, allowing drivers to enjoy the open air at a moment's notice. Inside, the Camaro's cabin combines sporty elements with modern technology. Recaro Sport seats, available in higher trims, provide excellent support and comfort, while high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout enhance the overall experience. The 2024 Camaro Convertible is packed with technology and connectivity features. The Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen, offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose audio system is available, delivering superior sound quality. On the safety front, the Camaro is equipped with advanced features such as forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring drivers and passengers remain safe and secure. While the Chevrolet Camaro Convertible shines, it faces strong competition in the convertible segment. Rivals such as the Ford Mustang Convertible, BMW Z4, and Mazda MX-5 Miata each bring their unique strengths to the table. The Mustang Convertible offers a blend of muscle car performance and iconic design, the BMW Z4 combines luxury and sporty dynamics, and the MX-5 Miata is celebrated for its nimble handling and pure driving pleasure. In conclusion, the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible stands out in the convertible market with its powerful performance, striking design, and advanced technology. Whether for spirited drives or leisurely cruises, the Camaro Convertible offers an exhilarating open-air experience that is hard to match. As Chevrolet continues to push the boundaries of performance and style, the 2024 Camaro Convertible remains a top choice for convertible enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike.